In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment Customer.io in 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to create both data-driven and manual segments so you can target the right people with the right messages. First, open your browser and search for Customer.io. Head to the site and log into your workspace. Once you're in, look for the Segments area in the navigation. This is your home base for audience targeting. Click Create Segment to start. If you want Customer.io to keep your audience updated automatically based on behavior or attributes, choose the data-driven option. This type of segment updates itself whenever someone meets or no longer meets your criteria. You'll see an option called Describe Segment. Click that if you want a head start from AI. Type a clear prompt describing who you want to target. For example, people who completed the onboarding course in the last 30 days and haven't opened the welcome email. The AI will suggest conditions you can use as a starting point. Treat this as a draft and plan to refine it. Next, build your rules manually so they're precise. Click Add Condition or Group to define who belongs in the segment. Conditions can use attributes like first name or plan type, and events like course complete or purchase made. Groups help you combine conditions with AND or OR logic. For example, you might require that a person has the event course complete and their plan type equals pro. Keep your definitions unambiguous so you don't unintentionally include or exclude people. When you're happy with the logic, give your segment a clear, descriptive name that reflects both the audience and the rule set. Then click Create Segment. Strong naming makes it easier to reuse your work and avoid duplicates later. Now, if you'd rather curate a list by hand, you can create a manual segment. Go back to Segments and click Create Segment again, then select Manual. Give it a name and create it. This type doesn't rely on rules. You decide exactly who belongs. To add people to a manual segment, open a person's profile, navigate to the Segments tab, and add them to the segment you just created. Repeat this for each person you want to include. Manual segments are perfect for VIP lists, event invitations, beta testers, or any small group you want to manage directly. That's it. You now know how to create dynamic, data-driven segments for automation and manual segments for curated lists. Keep your criteria clear, your names consistent, and your targeting will become more effective with every campaign.